It's understandable to be afraid when all the ground below starts to slip away. No matter where I go, I know I'm gonna find a place in the stars above, shining just to chase all the games that we played in the summer of our lives.
Say hi.
Siyempre,
Dadaan ka pa Santa Mesa?
doon kami mababa. Bakit?
Kunin mo nga yung skate ko kay Lawa. Dali na! Orat dyan sa video.
Bye!
Their sins, and become what you heaven. Amen. The second day, our Father who art in heaven.
Sakay ka.
Ba't di ka sasakay? Bakit? Pangit na po.
Pero tingnan ko sa kanya, alam kong bangon niya. Sinasabi ko, alam kong nababaduyan ka na sa mga sinasabi ko, pero sana naman ay maintindihan mo. Come on!
Nakakuha ka ng cue, sabay 9.
No, panalo ka na.
9 na nun.
Haven't got the guts to call him up. Walk around as if you never cared in the first place. But if you never call, you'll end up stuck without another chance to tell him off right to his face. And even though barely know each other, it still hurts watching him fade away, watching him fade away, watching him fade away, watching him fade.
Classic to sa amin eh, itong ano, dito kami kumain ng bata kami. Kaya ano niya.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday.
Peaceful, no?
Obvious.
Ito, hindi. Ako nga, success yan.
Kilala ulit.
Basta million lang talaga ako.
Realize it's all the same. People learn a lot in difficult ways. They're out there calling your name. There's not much left, time can't rip away. Just how long must I wait? Try to keep your control, but it's already gone away. 'Cause in a year of 13 things are way too hard to say.
Ngayon, pwede ko mag-registro na kayo. Isang tote at sagutin ko. Pagawain niya ng special improvement.
Heart to heart, but when we speak, we only speak of one word, to love one another, to love your family, to take care of your family. Don't hurt your family. That's what he used to tell me. And I'm sure that's what he's saying also to my brothers and my sister. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko po kayo kakilala lahat, but I'm sure you've been part of my father's life. You've been part of his daily activities here in Pigdig. And during the time that he was here, I saw the happiness he has when he stayed here compared to the time that we're still staying in Santa Mesa. So, again, thank you very much po. Thank you very much for the financial assistance. And thank you very much for all the love and good that came. Pay our last respect to Sir Marianito Asis, a teacher, a father, and a friend. Thank you very much.
Na tayong lahat ay magwawatak. May oras ang tampuluha at pagkagalak. Nagsimulang nangangapa ng nagayapak. Magkakasamang hinarap ang mga Huwag matakot magkamali, lahat tayo'y nagsisisi. Damdamin ang sandali, damdamin mga saglit. Lilipad sa hangin, di na iisipin. Kakalimutan natin ang mga hinanakit.
O wag kang tumingin ng ganyan sa akin. Wag mo akong kulitin, wag mo akong tanungin. Dahil katulad mo, ako rin ay nagbago. Di na tayo tulad ng dati, kay bilis ng sandali. O kay tagal din kita minahal. O kay tagal din kita minahal.
Kung iisipin mo, di naman dati ganito. Teka muna, teka lang, kailan tayo nailang? Kung iisipin
Ito picture video to.
di naman dati ganito, kay bilis kasi ng buhay, pati tayo natangay. O kay tagal din kitang minahal. O kay tagal din kitang minahal. Tinatawag kita, sinusuyo kita, di mo